Righto guys, just a quick rundown on this new fancy CableIQ Fluke tester we've got. Pretty simple to use. Power button on. It's trying to look for a cable, which is nothing attached. Take this bit off. That's your mobile bit in there. I've got my cable here. Plug it in, as you'll see, so it shows it's a 2-meter cable and it's connected on this end. Now get the other end and put it in the remote part. Like that, you can see, so it's discovered it across the top here now, and I've actually put a fault in this. I've stabbed a hole in it, so you can see I've put that hole in it near the end, which is showing a break on number 7. And then if I was to give it a bit of a wiggle, like that, it rechecks it, and now I've got a short between 3 and 6. So that's the basic function of testing your cable. Then it goes on to, you can go to auto test. Right, so it's set up there for Ethernet. Pretty much just push the test button and there you go. So it's failed on that 1000 speed test and it's failed the wire map because of that break in wire number 7. So what we can do now is save, and then you can edit all this if you wanted to. Change the name of it to the asset ID machine and what cable it is, and then we go save, and then if we go scroll across to results, there's our test office 2, and we can open up the results and you'll see there it's failed. So on top of that, you can get and plug the Fluke meter into your computer, which I've done there. USB, it's a USB mini which comes in the kit. Plug it in the side there. I've already got the CableIQ downloaded on my computer, which is this program here. And if you want to load your results, simply go File, Import from, CableIQ, and you can see Test Office 2 results are there. Then you can go save to PDF and you will get a report like that, which you can save and send to the customer or put in your work pack if you want. That's about it. To download the CableIQ software, you just need to go to Fluke Network Support Downloads and just search CableIQ download, sign up to Fluke and install it on your computer, and that's pretty much it.